Hey guys, this is Robert, and today I'll be showing you how to verify your accounts with Paybis. I'm using Paybis to buy USDT instantly with my credit card. But before we get started, make sure to like and subscribe for more content like this. And with that being said, let's get started. The first thing you do is log into your Paybis account. Okay, so once you're logged in, go to your member area. From your member area, see this exclamation point. It says verification. Please verify your account. I'm gonna do that. And then here you just hit start verification. All right, so I am in the US. I'm gonna use my car license. So ask for front and back, or you can also continue with your phone. So I'm gonna upload my images here and hit next. Okay, so the next thing you gotta do is do a 3D scan of your face. You can either use your webcam or your phone. So I'm gonna be using my webcam and hit get started, and it's gonna ask for permissions here. And since I'm currently using my camera, it's not gonna show, but hit allow and then select your camera source. I'm gonna do that and continue with verification. Okay, so my 3D scan was successful. Now select your country, city, state, address, postcode, and hit next. Okay, now they're checking the data. Verification status will update automatically. Alright, so updated and now doing processing verification. Okay, now my account is verified. Alright. So now I'm gonna go buy some header. So I want 550 here. Here your USDT. Make sure it's the Tron TRC20. So hit buy header. And then here it's asking for your external wallet. You do, yeah, your external wallet. I am going to top TX combine. I'm going to hit recharge. It is Tron 20. And then copy your QR, or copy your address. Paste it here. It's TRC20. What we want. And then make sure it's right. Starts with TY and A and N. Continue here. Put in my card information here. That's not to save it, and then pay. All right. And then once this goes through, it should show up in this wallet here. And I will, yeah. And that is how you verify and buy crypto with Paybis. If you have any questions or comments, leave them below. And thanks for stopping by. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share the video, and I will see you next time.